Hey guys, it's Taylor here with another video. Now, continuous lighting kits are great in that they provide a constant light source for you to shoot with. This is opposed to flash photography, which uses strobes of light that can be very harsh and disruptive. With that said, these lighting kits do have the challenge of providing enough power to light your subject without being too bright or too dim. Some continuous lighting kits also struggle with providing a consistent color temperature throughout their light input. This is important because issues with color temperature can make your photos look off or have a color cast to them. So with that in mind, I put together a list of the 3 best continuous lighting kits that not only address these factors, but also provide great value for your money. And then depending on your particular situation, you can see which ones might be the best options for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below, and if I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. So first up is our pick for the best overall continuous lighting kit for photography, and that's going to be the Westcott Solix lighting kit. Now, Westcott is a company that's very well known in the photography space for its high-quality lighting products, and this kit is no exception. It's our best pick for someone looking for a quality and complete continuous lighting solution for their photography needs, and for good reasons. First off, the Solix 90-watt LED light that it comes with is one of the most powerful and brightest on the market, while still having a very efficient power draw. This means that you can get great lighting output without worrying about blowing through your power too quickly. And speaking of efficiency, this light also has a very high CRI rating of 96+. This means that it renders colors very accurately and consistently, which is great for getting natural looking colors in your photos. You can also adjust the color temperature from 3200K to 5600K, which gives you a lot of flexibility to match the lighting conditions in your environment. The light itself is also very well built and features sturdy aluminum construction. It has a yoke mount design so that you can easily attach it to a stand or other support, and it comes with a diffusion panel to help soften the light output. And finally, this kit also comes with a very nice and rugged carrying bag. This is great for storing and transporting all of your gear. The whole thing just weighs around 19 pounds, so it's not that difficult to lug around. If we have to be picky, the only downside to this lighting kit is that we found that its dimmest setting is too bright for some close-up photography applications. That said, it's not a deal breaker since you can always attach more diffusers to help soften the light output if needed. So all in all, the Westcott Solix lighting kit is the best continuous lighting kit for photography that we can recommend to most people. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile continuous lighting kit that you can use for practically any kind of photography, then this would be the one to get. And next up is our pick for the best portable tube light, and that's going to be the Nanlite PavoTube 2. Now, tube lights are originally used in film and video production because they provide very even and balanced lighting. And so it's no surprise that they've become popular among photographers as well, especially those doing portraiture. And the Nanlite PavoTube 2 is one of the best options on the market right now. It's a very compact and portable tube light that you can easily take with you on location. One of the things that we really liked about this light is that it comes with a built-in battery. This means you don't have to worry about lugging around a bulky and heavy power supply with you. The battery will give you around 2 hours of use at full power, which is more than enough for most photography applications. Of course, it comes with a protective carrying bag, and at just 7 pounds, it's one of the lightest continuous lighting solutions on the market that you can use for photography, especially in remote locations where a power outlet might not be readily available. Another great thing about this tube light is that you can change the colors to practically anything you want. There are dials on one end of the tube that lets you change the color temperature and also the hue. This is really handy if you want to match the light to an existing light source, or if you just want to experiment with different looks. As for downsides, well, we have to say it's not as bright as the Westcott Solix lighting kit that we just talked about. This makes it unsuitable for really large spaces. But other than that, it's a solid option for those looking for a portable continuous lighting solution that you can take with you wherever you go. So basically, the PavoTube 2 from Nanlite is the best portable continuous lighting kit that we can recommend to people. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, portable, and versatile tube light that you can take with you on location, then this is the perfect lighting kit for you. And last but not least is our pick for the best budget continuous lighting kit for photography, and that's going to be the Julius Studio Continuous Lighting Kit. Now, not everyone can afford to spend hundreds of dollars on a continuous lighting kit, and that's perfectly understandable, but that doesn't mean that you can't get a decent lighting kit for a fraction of the price, and that's where the Julius Studio Continuous Lighting Kit comes in. For less than $80, you get a complete lighting kit that's perfect for those just starting out in photography. The kit includes 2 softboxes, 2 light stands, 2 bulbs, and a carrying case, and it's really easy to set up and use. We like the fact that the light stands are made from aluminum, which makes them sturdy but also lightweight and portable. The softboxes are also well made, and they do a great job at diffusing the light. As for the bulbs, they're 85 watts each, which are plenty of power for most photography applications. One thing to keep in mind though is that they're not dimmable, so you'll need to use an external dimmer if you want to be able to control the light output. Of course, as a budget pick, you can expect a few downsides to this lighting kit. For one thing, the fact that this lighting kit uses light bulbs means that it'll need replacing from time to time. And secondly, Unfortunately, there's no way to adjust the color temperature of this lighting kit, so it might not be ideal for those who want to match the light to an existing light source. But still, for the price, this is a great continuous lighting kit for photography, especially for beginners. So all in all, the Julius Studio is the best continuous lighting kit that we can recommend to people on a budget. So if you're looking for a lighting kit that is affordable, easy to set up, and comes with everything you need to get started, this would be the one to get. So that wraps up our list of the best continuous lighting kits for photography. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestions for future videos, or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Consumer Buddy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. So until then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.